Hello student, today I am going to teach you a view menu in which I will show you how we can set our Hello student, today I am going to teach you a view menu in which I can set a view of your page. By default view is normal, then page layout is the view in which you will see how much information will come in the page. Then page break, it will show you a page break, and then custom view which you can set for you. Then full screen view, the same thing you can see in the full screen view, and generally we see the information in a normal view. Then you can see a grid or you cannot see the grid. Formula bar, where you write the formula. Then heading means row or column heading. ABCD is the column heading, and the 1 2 3 4 is the row heading. Then you can see the certain portion in a zoom form. Press zoom 200%. Okay, it will zoom your information. Or you can zoom selection, it will increase the width of the value. Zoom 100%. Then okay, then new window is this is the second new window. Then arrange all, if you have opened the several files, then you can arrange all the files. I'm saving this file because if you won't save, then it will get lost. Then open the new file. Save as. File, save as. Okay, Excel view menu, and then you open more file. Suppose you have opened this and you said arrange all. Then in tile portion, in horizontal, it will show the horizontal input several file. Then vertical, same way you can open arrange all in cascade form. This way you can see all your files. Close one by one. And this is a view menu. Then freeze pane, when the data is so long and you have to do the feeding of your data, then this option will help you to see the uh, pane of heading. Freeze pane, when you say and go down, then heading will won't hide and it will show you on a pane. Same way when you go on right side and there are so many data, then it won't hide the column if there are so many data. I have a few data, so it is not showing. Same way as you are showing, the heading will not hide when you go down. Same way the column will won't hide and show you all your data, which will help in the input of your data. Then freeze pane, unfreeze pane, it will unfreeze the pane. Then split data, split means you can split your data in two pages. Same way, split again, then it will go. Suppose you want to split this data from this place, then split it, and when you go down, then down is split data will move, but the up split data will won't move. Then hide means you want to hide your window, unhide means you want to unhide your window. Then if you want to hide a particular column, select it, right click and hide it. Then column will hide, and when you again say unhide, then for that you have to select two columns, then say right click and unhide. Then column will come again. Then switch to window. Switch to window means if you have opened two windows, then you can see one by one. This way the view menu is finished today, and macro I will teach you with the developer menu, and all the information which I have told you, learn properly step by step and go through this video, and please subscribe, then you will able to get more videos from this video.